Okay, so this is what Tradeus really is. It's a simple, let's call it a page, but it's more than a page where you can find everything that you actually need to become a successful trader. It's a dashboard designed to give you only the important information all day long. And let's start from the top. Over here, you have a small menu where you can go deeper into the pages of the platform. So we have 4 different asset groups: Forex, crypto, commodities, and indices. After it, we have the education center, and we have a support. Most people that are using the Tradeus are mostly on this part. Like, you don't need to have 20 things open just to not miss the trade. Everything that you need to find the trade is right here. We had over 21,000 trades, and that's amazing. This week alone, we had 310 trades just from this platform. Now, after it, we have the statistic of our average risk reward, and it's 1 to 3. We can easily go higher, but we decided that at the end of the day, 1 to 3 is the risk reward that is more than enough, especially with the win rate that we have, to make sure that our clients are in profit. And the final part is the total growth. So all the trades that we took, it's over 148% in profit. Is for over a year period. I'm more than happy considering the risk that we are using, because it's all been trading on my personal savings account, better to say retirement account. So I'm more than happy about that. And this week alone, we are up 0.20%.
So a few questions I have there, Nicola, is that firstly, so everything that you need to trade is right there on the screen, right? So you don't need to download any software. It's basically all you need is the information that you've got right there, where to enter, where to target, your risk to reward, everything is explained, including the charts, and then you place your order or place your pending order. So very easy. It took you maybe a minute or so to explain that, but it could take much less time to actually set it up yourself.
Yeah, definitely. That was the point. Like, for us to have a platform that will do all the hard works, including the research, finding what's working right now, and not wasting a lot of hours doing that research alone and finding what we can trade. Tradeus is running 24 hours, 5 days a week, searching over 300 different instruments, and it's always going to give you only the things that we can trade right now. So I don't need to come here. I don't need to come here and worry, okay, I need to find the system that I'm going to use. I need to check the economic calendar. I need to check the volatility. Everything that's on the list here is something that you can actually trade right now. It's not something that you can trade tomorrow, or you need to wait for this, or that. Everything here is something that you can use right away. And
these are updated how often? Every few minutes?
Yeah, everything is being updated every 5 minutes, automatically for you. But if you want, you can always manually refresh everything. Or if you're not trading something like crypto, maybe you're not into crypto, you can just remove it completely. Or you're just trading Forex and indices, you can just leave these two here, and that's all.
Excellent.
And there is one thing that is slightly different than compared to any other algos out there. People usually ask, how many instruments we search. And since our algos work in a different way, we are trying to every 3 days gather all the data, and algo will only display for the next 3 days the best is going to display the only the setups that had the best win rate. So if some pair started to drop down in the performance, it's automatically going to be cutted from our main list. People will never know it. We will get alert as a team, and we will start playing and optimizing the algo for that pair. And only after we see that we have a good win rate again, is going to be included in the list. But everything is being done more or less automated. So algo is trying to be better every few days. It's self-optimizing. And that's why I believe it's much different compared to anything else. We are always working on improvements. Like we put the version 3 out a few weeks ago, and we are already working on the version 4. And we are going to continue to work on the Tradeology algos and trying to make it even better for the next 10
Yeah.
years, in my opinion, minimum. Now, let's go over step by step what you're going to get. Now, maybe we add a little bit more info, and we are always trying to add more and more info just to make sure that it's easier and easier to use. So we are constantly updating a small feature based on the recommendation from our beta group, and now that small amount of the people that actually are using the software. But overall, this is more or less the final design. Every single trade idea comes with the instrument name, time frame where we found that signal, direction bearish or bullish, let's say either you want to buy or sell, entry point, target, stop, and a risk reward. Also, you have the chart so you can get everything that you need. So if we click here, what we see here is the dollar Swiss franc. And the same thing that you see here are displayed over here, just more for that visual representation of what we are looking to do. But here, charts update every 15 minutes. And maybe price can be a little bit different, but usually if something is wrong or we already hit the entry point, we are going to hide the trade just because there is no point if you go and let's say miss the trade just because you are too late. So there is no point for you to see the trade. So all the trades that are here are more or less already valid. There is not a chance that something is wrong. So we want to be looking for a short position at 89.6521 with a target at 89.1881 and stop loss 89.9995. The risk reward is 1 to 1.4. So if you risk $100, we would be making 140.
Hi guys, I'm on the Tradejuice platform and I see a whole bunch of Okay guys, so I'm on the Tradejuice platform and I can see Hi guys, and I'm on the hot list today for Tradejuice, and one of the trades amongst all the many here. And get me out here with my stop in profit. And we did place our target higher, and I decided to use some trade management, and this worked out perfectly. I have $2,382.09 made over this time on the 4-hour pound CHF chart. And, well, a great trade. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, I'm on the gold USD 15-minute chart, and the reason I'm on this Hello everyone, and I'm on the Traders platform. I see that there is a setup. Okay guys, I'm on my gold USD chart, 15 minutes. Adrian here, and I'm on the pound Japanese yen. I've just had a look at So I'm on the hot list for today on the Trade Juice members area, and
I like to trade gold, and you can just click on that instrument. I like to trade gold. And you can just click on that instrument